Have you ever wondered what adding pumpkin to your diet can do for your body? Stick around because today we're diving into the incredible health benefits of this versatile vegetable. Pumpkins aren't just for Halloween or Thanksgiving pies. This humble vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your health in remarkable ways. Let's explore why you should make pumpkin a staple in your meals. First up, anti-aging properties. Pumpkins are loaded with enzymes and alpha-hydroxy acids that help break down dead skin cells, promoting cell regeneration. This means smoother, brighter skin and a radiant complexion that defies the aging process. Struggling with high blood pressure? Pumpkin to the rescue. Rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber, pumpkins help relax blood vessels, lower blood pressure, and improve heart health. Its fiber content also aids in managing cholesterol levels, giving your heart the support it needs. Did you know that pumpkin can boost your brain health? Pumpkins contain L-tryptophan, an essential compound that acts as a natural antidepressant. This helps manage stress, support mental well-being, and even improve your sleep. Now let's talk about those little gems inside. Pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, aren't just a tasty snack. They're a nutritional goldmine. Let's explore why you should make pumpkin seeds a staple in your meals. First up, pumpkin seeds are rich in essential nutrients like magnesium, iron, zinc, and phosphorus. These nutrients play crucial roles in energy production, immune system support, and bone health, helping you stay strong and healthy. Pumpkin seeds are packed with antioxidants like vitamin E and carotenoids, which help protect your cells from free radical damage. This means a lower risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain cancers types. Speaking of heart health, pumpkin seeds are a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help lower cholesterol levels and reduce inflammation. They also contain phytosterols, compounds that help lower LDL cholesterol, promoting a healthy heart. Pumpkin seeds also contribute to better brain health. They're a good source of tryptophan, an amino acid that helps your body produce serotonin and melatonin. These neurotransmitters play a crucial role in mood regulation and sleep quality, helping you feel happier and more rested. Wondering how to add pumpkin seeds to your diet? It's easy. Try adding pumpkin seeds to your salads for a crunchy texture. Mix them into your muffins and breads or simply snack on them raw or roasted. They're also great in homemade trail mixes as a topping for avocado toast, or blended into your favorite smoothies for an extra nutrient boost. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet not only enhances your health, but also adds a delicious twist to your dishes. From promoting heart health and brain function to supporting sleep and providing essential nutrients, pumpkin seeds are truly a superfood. So what are you waiting for? Start adding pumpkin to your diet today and reap the amazing health benefits. But please also remember the tiny seeds for their nutrient content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and delicious recipes. Stay healthy, stay happy.